The most remarkable event of the transatlantic slave trade occurred in 1789, when an Igbo slave, Olaoda Equiano, published his autobiography, The Interesting Narrative of the Life of Olaoda Equiano. It was the first book that provided first-hand insight into the terrors and the inhumane transactions of slave trade, with a brutal and destructive impact on individuals and societies. The book became a bestseller, which shaped public opinion against slavery in Britain. Olaoda Equiano, through personal transformation, converted to Christianity, educated himself, bought his freedom, and became a leading voice in the British abolitionist movement. He lectured extensively, wrote letters to influential figures, advocated and supported campaigns to abolish the slave trade. At the end, the work of this Nwaafọ Igbo, who hated slavery but endured it, significantly contributed to the passage of the Abolition of the Slave Trade Act in 1807. At the end, the Igbo defeated slavery.